Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, in just a month's time, the Sunshine Girls will be heading off to England for a 3-match test series at the Copper Box Arena in London from December 1 to 6. But while the English are busy training, the Sunshine Girls are off to a late start. More in this report.
Playing against the third-ranked England was never going to be easy, but the task will be harder for the Sunshine Girls, who will not even get to put in a proper preparation ahead of the tour. The COVID-19 pandemic has made things tougher for the fourth-ranked Sunshine Girls, who have been out of competition for months now, and they are unable to train on proper surfaces. But Coach CONNIE Francis says they are prepared to ride out the storm.
I like the challenge. It's about weathering the storm, any storm that comes our way. Are we capable of weathering it? I think that we are more than capable of doing well. I hope that we'll be, I can't say that we'll win the competition, but the sky's the limit for us, so we just take it one match at a time.
They will go in the battle without top shooter and regular captain Janelle Fowler.
For many years we have been relying on her, but we have an opportunity now. Romella was always a part of us. She had a surgery that had ruled her out when we went into England. Now she's back and she has been playing extremely well. I know that she's more than capable of coming back in and doing the job, because when I coached her the last time, she was excellent. We actually win a medal.
Defender JODI-ANN Ward, who was playing overseas in the Australian Suncorp Super League with the Collingwood Magpies, comes in with some matches under her belt.
I had the luxury of being able to continue my training overseas, so that's a plus for me and the other overseas players. It's still challenging because even though I am somewhat match fit, it's still not enough at the moment to be able to gel with the team, because playing overseas with another team is not the same as playing with your Jamaican team, because every team has their different style of play and all that.
Goalkeeper LATANYA Wilson, who is back from her 6-month stint in England, says the experience should serve her well.
Being there, I've learned so much. I've learned about their culture, their style of playing, the type of umpires, yes, and all that.
Defender Shamera Sterling is also back from Australia and is ready to go.
I think England have been our biggest rivalry. They've pushed us, we pushed them. There are a couple of times that we have won to them, and there are a couple of times that they've won to us. But I think anybody can win at this time, because we have very high elite athletes in the group, and with the 12 or the 14 that's going to England, I think we'll be able to do the task.
Along with the 3 tests, the Sunshine Girls will have an extra game in England. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.